Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get Optifine for Minecraft 1.17. I don't think it's out for 1.17.1 at the moment. It might be, but I'm just going to do this specifically for just 1.17. So this is going to be a really quick video, so make sure to leave a like on this video to help us get across more people. And make sure you subscribe. Right now we're trying to hit, I think, 5.6k, so make sure to hit that sub button. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Alright, so just gonna open up any browser. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for these Optifine thing. So I'm just gonna search up Optifine right here. We're gonna click that. I'm gonna leave a link, like I said, in the description that will take you straight to this page. And as you can see, it is out on 1.17.1 now, which last time I did this, it was only available for 1.17. So I guess this video is just on 1.17.1 now. So what you're gonna do, click preview versions under here, and then which one, I don't think it matters really. I'm gonna do pre-29. And then you're just gonna click mirror. Don't click download, click mirror. Click on that, and then click download. And any of this ad stuff that shows up, please do not click on this, like exit out of this stuff. And it will say it's a like a dangerous file type, and that's just because it's a .jar file, and anything that's a .jar file will be labeled as harmful to your computer. But it's not a virus, everybody uses this, so just click click or keep. And then next thing, before you click anything, just go to Minecraft launcher. And if you guys can hear like a squeakiness on my chair or whatever in the background, I ordered a new chair yesterday, or not yesterday, like a couple days ago, and it should be here tomorrow, I believe. It said it was gonna be here on the Monday, which it is right now. So luckily you guys want to deal with the squeak chair, and I won't as well, because this one sucks. I'm just gonna log into my account. Don't ask what my email is, I just made it so I could keep everything organized and I remember what it's for. So I'm just gonna log in really quickly. So what you're gonna do is go to installations up here, and then you're gonna click on latest release, which is 1.17.1. If it doesn't show up for you, you can click new installation, and then you should be able to see it. So you're gonna click that, click play, and then it should just open up in a couple of seconds here. Now the reason I'm opening it right now, before I even do anything, is because you have to have the game open at least once before you actually can do this, or else it won't work. But it's not like you have to play or anything. You can just sit in the lobby for 2 seconds, or not lobby, menu for 2 seconds, and you can just close the game after. Alright, so here we go. I just open it up, and you can literally just click quick game as soon as you open it up. It doesn't matter. And I hope that last little bit was actually shown. It better not be fucking frozen, I swear to God. Because I don't want to re-record this. But after that, you're gonna reopen Minecraft launcher. Click on it, open it up, do whatever you have to do, and it should be there. Now you're gonna click on the thing right here, preview.optifine, whatever, or underscore, and you're just gonna click install. Should load for a second. Should like just act like it's frozen, and it should say Optifine is successfully installed. Click OK. That will close, and then as you can see, if you go under here, or installations, I forget what it's under, it should be here, which for me it shows 1.17, which I'm not sure. Like I said earlier, I didn't think that 1.17.1 came out, so it might just be bugged or something. But that's pretty much how you do it for 1.17. But usually it would just say 1.17.1, so maybe there's a bug, or it just fully hasn't came out yet. So by the time you're watching this, it might be out. So I'm just gonna title this 1.17.1. But I hope you guys did enjoy this. If it did work for you guys, let me know. And if you guys have any problems, I have some videos in the past on it. Just try and find them. I have some playlists and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.